What's up, guys? It's RAZE here with you again today, and I'm here to talk to y'all about a hotel named Hotel Don Pedro Heredia. Now, this hotel is located in Cartagena, Colombia. This hotel is next to many restaurants, many nightclubs, and about 4 blocks away from the clock tower. So, let's take a look at this very convenient and nice hotel right now. And right here is a basic room inside Hotel Don Pedro Heredia. Got your bed, got a chair, mirror. You have an AC because it gets pretty hot out there in Cartagena. So that's very convenient. Here's your TV for the cable stations. Also, you have a safe. Lock your valuables up just in case you have visitors over, or just to give you peace of mind knowing that your valuables are safe inside. And here's the bathroom. Have your mirror, your sink, the stand-up shower, toilet. I love that shower. And you actually get pretty warm water here. A lot of places in Cartagena doesn't have hot water. The water gets pretty hot in this hotel, which is a plus. You got pretty high ceilings. So this is a nice hotel. Very convenient. Very convenient. Here's the outside of the room. Very nice. Plants. Flowers. Very green. These rooms will cost about $50 to $70 a night, depending on the season. It's well worth it because it's very convenient. It's secure. Look at this nice pool. Very nice. Right next to everything, restaurants, bars. Look at that. Look at that view. Wow. $50 to $70 a night. And here's a view from the hotel restaurant that's up top. The restaurant serves breakfast for buffet, about $4 or $5 a day. Stay outside of the hotel. You're looking at the streets of the walled city. Very cool. Very unique architecture. Very nice, very nice. And here is the dining room area. We had a visitor that day. A crow or a raven. I don't know what type of bird this is. If anyone knows, let me know in the comment section. I would like to know what type of bird that was that visited me. And here is the front lobby. You can sit down. Got a nice painting, I believe. Very nice. Very comfortable chairs. Right next to the front desk where you check in at. Here is the roof of the hotel. You can sit outside, catch some sun. You have some patio chairs. Just relax, sip on something, eat a meal up here in this nice weather. And here is the outside of the hotel. We have a horse carriage roaming the streets. Very cool, very cool. This hotel is right across the street from a club named Delirium. So this hotel is very convenient for people that want to be around the action. It's at Club Delirium right across the street. You get a lot of females in that club, a lot of males in the club for the females that are looking for males, for single males. Very fun atmosphere. The hotel is surrounded by a bunch of other clubs on other blocks, and also about 4 blocks away from the clock tower. So you get the best of both worlds here. You have the convenience, you have the nightlife. As soon as you walk outside, it doesn't get boring in this area. So that's one of the main things that I like about Hotel Don Pedro, the convenience and location. Here you have it, Hotel Don Pedro Heredia in the walled city of Cartagena, Colombia. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm RAZE, and I'll bring you more travel videos in the near future. I'm out.